we have to give importance for the opposite person. Okay, heartful, sincere importance for the opposite person. If you are giving importance for the opposite person, then automatically he's also start giving importance for you. He's also giving importance for you people. In our cinemas, how many times you heard about this type of dialogue? నువ్వు ప్రేమించే వాళ్ళు దొరకకపోయినా పర్లేదు కానీ నిన్ను ప్రేమించే వాళ్ళు మాత్రం వదిలిపెట్టవద్దు.
Yes, yes.
have you anytime have you heard about this one?
Yes, yes.
Yes, man. Let me translate into English.
In
Okay.
Mirchi also there will be one dialogue.
Yes.
వీలైతే ప్రేమిద్దాం, మహా అయితే తిరిగి ప్రేమిస్తారు.
Yes. Exactly. Wonderful.
వీలైతే ప్రేమిద్దాం dude.
Dude, Prabhas dialogue. Yes. So here do you know the meaning is if you love someone but they're not accepting your proposal, but some ex loves you, okay, likes you, then automatically who is more important? The person who likes you is more valuable than the person you love. Okay, remember that. So whether they are going to accept or not, but don't miss this person. Okay. So genuinely, we require to give, we require to show the interest. The interest means you don't feel like love and so on. Okay, normal terminology. If you genuinely show interest in the opposite person, then automatically, okay, so that person likes you. Remember that. Genuinely, you require to show interest in the opposite person. Then obviously, that person is going to like you. So, if you want to get a grand welcome everywhere, only one thing you require to do that. Show genuine interest on them. Okay. By showing sincerely interest on them, you will make friends within 2 months. If you want to make them to interest on you, it may take couple of years, sometimes impossible also. Remember that. Sometimes impossible also.